Okay, second quarter. Hapon, basketball, Hapon. Here comes magtamang to number 31. The playing coach, ginagambala ni Leharte. Oh yes, 2 points at number 2. Flash on the bench. Here comes Pangaliban, number 14. In control. To number 6, Santiago. To number 10. Cross pass to number 11. The golden hand shot. Going to number 31. Nagmamadali ang Hapon, number 31 pa rin. To number 7-7, magtamang 2 points. 20-14 is score. Pangaliban. In control, 2. Good pa rin yan. Nabarang, breaking Mr. Pangaliban. To jersey number 11, they have the 12 on the shot clock, 11. 10, reset tayo, PS to number 7-7, magtanong. Get inside, nalibitawan. Time out. So, Bo Arabo, early timeout. A minute gone by, 9 minutes to play. 9 minutes to play. Doon tayo sa Bo Arabo basketball. Here comes Pangaliban in control. To jersey number 10, Navarro. Oh, good yan. Oh, turnover. Another error. Here comes Magdalong. Number 4, Ocampo, take from downtown. Yes, 20-17 is score. 20-17 from downtown, Mr. Santiago. Nakabawi agad. 23-17 is score. 23-17. Here comes Magtanong. Reinforced team Mr. Ocampo. 8:05, Magtanong to number 2. Oh, rejected. Pero good yan. What is number 31? 12 on the shot, lock 11. Stand reset ulit tayo. Konani, Mr. Navarro, baseball pass kay jersey number 11, Leharde. 2 points. 25-17 is score. 7 minutes 40 seconds left. Magtanong, try along on 3. 25-20 is score. Santiago to Leharde. Oh yes, smooth layup para Mr. Leharde. 27-20. Magtanong, in control. The left corner. Number 2, looking for the open man. Balik ni Mr. Magtanong. Shot clock is good tayo. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 shot clock reset. Battle for the loose. Reset at 14. Opening. Boom tayo. Boom tayo. Team basketball. 6:40. Here comes Pangaliban to Santiago. Leharde, the golden hand. Oh! Short. 6 minutes 30. 6 minutes 22 seconds left. Magtanong. Another try along one. Mr. Magtanong, wala ko ni Santiago Bismolpaski. Leharte again. Leharte, yes. Timeout. Upon 6 minutes 3 seconds left. 29-20. 29-20.